Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Welcome back to my channel. And today's video will be about how to connect letters, especially the letters ba, ta, tha, jim, ha, and kha. And they change their shapes according to these positions: initial form, medial form, and final form. So let's start with the letter ba. In its initial form, it's written like this. Okay. Example: baydon, eggs. Another example: baytun, baytun, a house. Okay. Medial form, we draw the connecting line here, then the ba. Example: tibnun. So you see here a sukun above the letter ba. We read it b. Tibnun, hey. Jubnun, jubnun, cheese. Okay. Final form, we draw the connecting line, then the ba. Example: inabun, inabun, grape. Okay. Another example: tabibun. So you see here the ba in the final position, final form, a doctor. We move to the letter ta. It's nearly the same. So initial form ta, tamron, dates. Okay. Example, another example: tilfazun, television or TV. Okay. Medial form, we draw the connecting line, then the ta. Matjaron, matjaron, a store. Another example: maktabun, maktabun, a desk. The final form, we draw the connecting line, then the ta, or you can write it like this, okay, or like this. So three forms, and we will see an example of each of them. So this, we could draw the connecting line, then the ta, like bintun, bintun, a girl. And in this shape, the connecting line, then the ta marbuta, we call it ta marbuta, a closed ta. Example: nabtatun, nabtatun. We can pronounce it also nabtah, nabtah, a plant. Okay. And in this form, ta marbuta, without the connecting line, when it is preceded certainly by an unfriendly letter, as we saw in the previous video. Example: shajaratun, shajaratun, or a tree. By the way, we can pronounce it shajarah. Okay, so the ta marbuta, we can pronounce it h. Okay. Then we move to the letter jim. In its initial form, it is like this. It is written like this. Example: jabalun, jabalun. I forgot to put the harakats, okay? But I think it is quite easy for you to put them. A mountain, okay? Mountain. Or jayshun, jayshun, an army, okay? In the medial form, we draw the connecting line, then the jim. Example: masjidun, a mosque. Masjidun, a mosque. Okay. Tijaratun, tijaratun, or in English, trade. In its initial final form, we draw the connecting line, then the jim. Example: thaljun, thaljun, snow. Or if it is preceded by an unfriendly letter, it is written like this, separately. Example: tajun, tajun, a crown. Then we move to the letter ha, initial form like this. Example, حمامة, حمامة, a dove. Another example, حبل, حبل, a rope. Okay. In the medial form, we draw the connecting line, then we draw the ha. Example, يحلم, يحلم, he dreams. Another example of the ha in the initial form, أصحاب, أصحاب means friends. In its final form, we draw the connecting line, then the ha. Example, ريح, ريح, wind. And in its final form, another shape like, of the ha, when it is preceded by an unfriendly letter. Example, فرح, فرح, joy. Then the letter kha, in its initial form, kha, خروف, خروف, lamb. Okay. Another example, خبأ, خبأ, which means hide. In its medial form, we draw the connecting line, then the kha. صخرة, صخرة, a rock. Or نخلة, نخلة, a palm. In its final form, we have two shapes. The first one connected with the preceding letter. Example, شيخ, شيخ, an old man. And we have this shape separated when it is preceded either by alif or dal or ra or waw, okay, or zai. Kuchon, kuchon, a hat, okay. And here is a list of some words with these letters in different shapes. Example, min jalun, min jalun. So you see here the jim in the middle of the words, the letters, sorry, the middle form, a sickle, okay. Another example, nasijun, nasijun, texture, nasijun, okay. غروب, غروب, sunsets. You see here the ba in the final form, it is separated because it is preceded by the waw, an unfriendly letter. Or sabrun, sabrun. You see here the ba in the middle form, it is preceded by sad and followed by ra, patience, okay. We move to the another example, jamilun, jamilun. So you see here the jim in the initial form, which means nice, okay. Another example, مثمرة, مثمرة, meaning fruitful, okay. And here I wrote a sentence, and I hope you will be able to read it. أحب الأشجار المثمرة. أحب الأشجار المثمرة. أحب الأشجار المثمرة. Which means I love fruitful trees. Okay, so this is the end of the video. I hope you will enjoy it and share it with your friends.